Question 14. 10 stones of identical shape and size are used to make an arch as shown on the diagram. Each stone has a cross section in the shape of a trapezium with 3 equal sides. What is the size of the smallest angle of the trapezium? So if I draw this out here, the whole circle, if we drew a circle out here, it would be a 20-sided shape. We've got 10 already, but the whole circle would be 20. Therefore, whatever formula you've got for doing this, use it. So I worked out the external angle is 18, therefore we've got the internal . Now, where does that come? Well, what we're looking at there is this whole angle here is 162 degrees, because this is our polygon and this is our internal angle, sorry, 162. So let's draw it out using some straight lines this time. So if the whole thing, this whole thing is 162, then this plus this, because they are congruent, they are the same. And we need to find the size of the smallest angles on the trapezium, and these are our smallest angles here. Therefore, the answer is 81.